Tesla's solar roof installation can be divided into 6 phases from beginning to end. The first phase is tear-off, which involves removing the existing roof to expose the deck and prepare it for the new solar roof system. Inspect the roof deck thoroughly for damage or rot before proceeding. A solid foundation is the key to long-term performance. The next phase is dry-in. During the dry-in phase, installers apply waterproofing underlayment to protect the roof from moisture and weather during the installation. Layers of underlayment overlap to shed water, and all penetrations are sealed to prevent leaks during and after installation. The next phase is perimeter metals. These metal components frame the roof edges and help manage water runoff while giving the roof a polished look. Double-check alignment and secure all fasteners tightly. Proper metal placement prevents water intrusion and improves aesthetics. Next is the tile installation phase. Both solar and non-solar tiles are placed according to the design plan, ensuring a clean look and optimal performance. Follow the layout plan closely during tile install and stagger rows for proper alignment. The next phase is on-roof wiring and testing, where installers run wiring across the roof to connect the solar tiles to the inverter. Label all connections and test each string before finalizing. This saves time and avoids troubleshooting later. The final phase is tile-level flashing, which includes caps and trim covers for adequate water shedding and aesthetic touches. Ensure proper overlapping with added flashings for water to quickly and easily flow off the system. Each phase plays a critical role in building a durable, efficient, and visually stunning solar roof. Visit the Energy Library for tips and tricks for each phase to ensure every install meets Tesla's quality standards.